Hello, friend. It is late afternoon, early evening on a beautiful October day, and I am taking you down to the river. I just got a lot of housework done and haven't done dinner yet, but I decided to take a pause. And if you look around, all the leaves are just spectacular. But the most special part is coming up in, within the minute. So just come along and join me for this, I would call it a sacred walk. It takes me a while to get back here. And when I make the time to do this, I just enjoy it so much. And I decided I was going to take you with me today. And we're entering this gorgeous cathedral of trees. You can see, and I'll be walking down a hill and up on a bridge. And I won't talk too much. I just want you to enjoy the beauty of this walk as much as I am. Here is the entrance. Go down the hill and over the bridge, and we'll be over the water. It's pretty dry here, so the water is down. I'll look down as I'm going down a pretty steep. I don't have my hikers on, just my Hokas, which are really worn down. They're my outside shoes, but not my hiking shoes. Oh my goodness. I want you to see, there's the trail through the woods. It's just spectacular here this evening. And here I'm going up on the bridge. And both sides of the bridge, you'll see how pretty it is. Come close to the water. And on the other side, a dream I had growing up as a little girl. I wanted to someday live on a creek. And 32 years into my life, we were able to find a place on a creek. And it is just, every day is different here. So when I come down, at sometimes the river is up and rolling, and just all kinds of movement, and the water's high. And right now, since it's been so dry, it's just a gorgeous creek with the leaves and everything. I hope this is something you can see and how much I enjoy it. I come down here to think about life, to feel like I'm smaller than everything, and it puts things into perspective with these giant trees, and just being quiet down here and listening to the wind and watching the leaves fall on the water. It's just soothing to the soul. I hope there's a place that you can go to nearby your home, whether it's a park or your backyard or someplace by the water's edge, that you can find some solitude and feel that you have a beautiful place in this world. nature can be so healing. And that's why I love to bring you with me on my walks. I have so much more to show you. Over this bridge is a huge forest with walnut trees and hills and a magic maple tree that I go to. It's a little ways up, but we'll get there. So if you're enjoying this, let me know. And I am enjoying bringing you here this evening as I take a sacred pause. Just breathing in, watching the sun go down into the trees, and knowing that we do have a special place here in this life, and we do touch and affect others in a positive way. And I hope I do that with you, and I know you do that with others. I want you to know that you are important. You have a special energy about you, a special way of being and caring for others that doesn't go unnoticed. You may think it might be unnoticed at times, but it's not. People need you, and you make this world a better place. So from my heart to yours, receive all the blessings, and I will see you soon.